Here we have a dashboard of the scooter Kukirin G3 Pro. It's called TFM13-FEIMI. You can see this here. The PCP has written TFM13 version 0.2. We have a microcontroller here, which is called PT33 F005 F6P6. The specs of this microcontroller you can read here. And I had some water ingress into this housing, and what was broken should be this DC-DC chip. So here we get from this cable, we get the battery voltage B+, which is about 52 volts. We have an RX and TX signal, which communicates with the bottom part of the scooter, with the motors, with the lights, with the horn, and so on. Yeah, and this chip should provide something like 7 volts. Here's the simplified circuit of this chip. We have input voltage. I think this voltage is switched via this P-channel MOSFET. This is activated via this small transistor, which can be deactivated via the microcontroller. So there is an cut-off possibility, or the capability of the microcontroller. Yeah. And this circuit, this step-down circuit with this inductor and this bypass Schottky diode, which is this and this, it should output about 7 volts. And I can measure only about 3 volts, so there's something wrong. I think I had a short between the center pad, which is on V-in, to the enable pin or feedback pin, something like that. And now I will exchange this chip. This is the type, and hopefully the scooter is working then again. I did a small test. I soldered here to the minus and plus signal 5 volts, and it worked fine again. So the chances are good that this will work out. Thanks for watching.